Like versus as. He talks like his father, or he talks as his father. Like is followed by a noun or a pronoun. As is followed by a noun or a pronoun plus a verb. So as needs a verb after it. He talks his father. Father is a noun, so we use like. He talks like his father. He talks, his father talks. His father talks. Noun, verb. So we use as here. He talks as his father talks. She cooks blank her mother. Her mother is a noun, so we use like here. She cooks like her mother. She cooks, her mother cooks. Noun, a verb, so we use as here. She cooks as her mother cooks. Do, me. Me is a pronoun, so we use like here. Do like me. Do, I would do. Pronoun, verb, so we use as here. Do as I would do. You answer this one. She sings a bird. A bird is a noun. Like a bird or as a